Hello everyone, welcome back. After update to iOS 17, if the iPhone apps is not working, not opening on iPhone and iPad, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to check the internet connection. We have to make sure that we have a stable and strong internet connection, and also refresh the internet connection. For that, launch settings, tap on Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi. If you're using mobile or cellular data, turn off as well. Wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on back. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then move to some other solutions. Go back to settings, tap on journal, tap date and time, and make sure that set automatically is enabled. After that, we have to go back to settings, tap on screen time and tap on app limit. Here we have to check if we set any limit for the apps, then we have to delete this. Tap on that app. Now tap delete limit, delete to confirm. Now turn off the app limit for the application if it's not working the particular app. We have to check the screen time app limit. After that, we have to go back to settings. Here we have to tap on journal and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. The next thing that we have to do, we have to tap and hold the App Store. Now tap on updates. Here we have to check if there is any update available for particular app that are not working on your iPhone. Then we have to update that app. The next thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on journal and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Here we have to do one more thing. For example, if the WhatsApp app is not working on your iPhone after iOS 17, then tap on WhatsApp and tap offload app, then tap again offload app. After offload the app, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, go back to App Store and re-download that app. The final thing that we have to do, we have to tap and hold the app that are not working. Now tap remove app and tap delete app. After deleting the app, wait for a couple of minutes, then re-download from the App Store. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.